Hi, I'm Priyavashni, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Welcome back to uh, so uh, today's video we are going to learn an important concept in software project management, which is management control. Management control plays a very critical role in ensuring that a software project is completed successfully. Many projects fail not because of lack of technical knowledge but due to poor monitoring and control. In this session, we will understand what is management control is, why it is important, its objectives, types of control, a real-time example, tools used and case study. So let us begin. First, we are going to see what is a management control. Management control is the process of continuously monitoring the project activities and performance to ensure that the project is progressing according to the plan. It involves comparing the actual results with the planned objectives and taking corrective actions whenever deviation occurs. So, in simple terms, management control ensures that the project is moving in the right direction. If something goes wrong, control mechanisms helps a project manager identify the issue early and correct it before and it becomes a serious problem. So next, objectives of management control. The main objectives of management control is to ensure that the project is completed on time and within the approved budget. It also ensures the quality standards are maintained throughout the development process. So management control helps in minimizing the risk and uncertainties that may arise during the project life cycle. So another important objective is improving team efficiency and productivity by regularly tracking progress and performance. Next is an importance of management controls in software project management. So management control is extremely important in software project because the software development environments are highly dynamic, requirements may change frequently. So deadlines are usually strict and budget are often fixed. Without proper control, project may experience cost overrun, schedule delays, and poor software quality. Effective management control helps the project manager respond quickly to changes and maintain stability throughout the project life cycle. So key elements of management control or management controls consist of a few key elements. First, standards are established in terms of time, cost, and quality. Next, actual project performance is measured. Then, the actual performance is compared with predefined standards. Finally, corrective actions are taken whenever deviations are identified. So, these steps form the backbone of an effective control system. So, next is management control process. The management control process begins by setting clearly performance standards related to the schedule, cost, and quality. Actual performance is then measured using reports, metrics, and reviews. This performance is compared within the planned standard to identify the deviation. So, if deviations are found, corrective actions such as reallocating resources or revising revising plans are taken to bring the project back on the tracks. So next, a type of controls in software project management. They are different types of control used in software project management. These include budget control, schedule control, quality control, scope control, and risk control. Each type focuses on specific aspect of the project and together they ensure overall project stability and success. So first is budget schedule control. Budget control involves comparing estimated cost with actual expenditures to prevent overspending. For example, if a project was planned within the budget of 10 lakh rupees, but the actual spending reaches 12 lakh rupees, it indicates a negative cost variance, right? So that requires immediate corrective action. Schedule control focuses on ensuring that the tasks are completed on time. Tools like Gantt charts and milestone reviews are commonly used. If a module plan for 10 days takes 10 days takes the 15 days, actions such as adding resources or revising the schedule may be required. So quality, scope, risk control. So a quality control ensures the software meets required standards through the regular Testing reviews metrics such as defect density and test coverage. Metrics such as defect density and test coverage are used to measure the quality. So, scope control manages changes in project requirements and prevents uncontrolled expansions known as scope creep. When a client requests an additional feature, the changes in analyzed, improved, and corresponding updates are made to the schedule and budget. Next, the risk control involves identifying the potential risk, monitoring warning signs, and implementing mitigation strategies. For example, if there is a risk of a key developer leaving the project, knowledge sharing and assigning a backup resource can reduce the impact. So, industry example, in large IT companies such as Infosys, management control is practiced through weekly project status meetings using of tracking tools like Zaira, dashboard based budget monitoring, and regular quality audits. So these practices ensure continuous control. In the case study of an online food delivery application, the project was planned for 6 months, which with a budget of 25 lakh rupees. During development, the user interface module was delayed by 3 weeks. So corrective actions such as assigning an additional UI developer and differing non-critical features were taken. As I said, the project was delivered with only in 1 week delay and the budget remained under control. So tools used for management controls, tools like Zyra, Microsoft Project, Trello, Agile dashboards, and earn value management help effective management control. Earn value management compares planned value and earned value and actual cost to measure both cost and schedule performance. To conclude, the management control is a critical function in software project management. Without the proper control, projects have a high risk of failure. With effective management control, projects are delivered on the time with a budget and desired the quality. So, thank you.